Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and today we're going to draw Frankenstein for Halloween.
The first thing we're going to start with is the head shape. So we're going to draw two lines that come in a little bit of an angle. From those lines, we're going to add two more, which is like a little rounded L shape. But keep a little gap in the middle because we're going to add a chin. And the chin is going to be like a very spread out V. Remember, you can pause the video and work at your own pace. The ears come at the top of that L line. It's like a letter C, and inside is like a letter T. Moving on to the eyes. Give me two slightly curved lines at the tops of the ears, and then from there, a little moon shape underneath. This is going to be the eyes that are going to look sleepy. One little scoop, and a second little one. Let's draw some pupils. So inside, draw the same little scoop line. These are your pupils, and those will be covered in black. I will leave a little white spot, like a little reflection in the eye.
And those are Frankenstein's sleepy eyes.
Now Frankenstein has one eyebrow, a unibrow. There is no space between the two of them. So first draw a continual line around the face of how that will go. Once you've done that, you can color it in and make it a thicker, fuller eyebrow. But bring it close to the eye so Frankenstein looks like he's
tired.
The nose will look like a half circle with two little circles inside for nostrils. Before we draw the mouth, we're going to draw two little lines, kind of like brackets, on the outside of the mouth. And then a little mouth that goes just a curved line downward so he looks pretty grumpy. Now it's time to draw his cranium, so draw that curved line from one ear to the other. Then his hair is going to come to little points high up on his forehead. Give him a big forehead. I'm going to just color it in black, but you can do this at the end. The next thing we're going to do is add some stitches. You can draw a curved or squiggly little line and then just a few X's across it, which will make it look like a stitch. Here come the bolts from the side of his neck. Think of it as candy corn coming out from the side. Next stop, hands. They may look difficult, but they're just 3 ovals. Make the middle one the largest one. A little fingernail is a rounded square in the middle. Curve that bottom line and a couple little lines in the middle to show a knuckle. And now the thumb. Watch this. An angle off to the side and another one. It's like a V turned on its side. And now, gonna round that up. There is my thumb. And then on the bottom is the palm. I got like a W. See that? There is my hand. Now we're gonna repeat the same process on the other side. 1, 2, 3 ovals. I put in my fingernails, a line and a curved bottom, like the square, but the bottom line is curved, and a couple little lines to indicate the knuckles. And then now here comes the thumb. Watch this. Bring in that bottom little loop to make it look like the thumb, and your second hand is complete. We're going to create the collar by drawing 2 V's right underneath the chin and then a line down the middle where the buttons go. Draw the lines out and down, and then underneath, draw a V or a curved line to show that his hands are coming forward. And now we've created a fun Frankenstein, and now it's time to color.
It's time to color. Notice I add different shades of color, so add the lights and darks.
Now we have a finished Frankenstein. Thank you so much for doing this Halloween video with me. Come back and do more drawing videos with me. Tupperberry Art. If you like this, remember to subscribe and like my video. And I'll see you again. Happy Halloween!